I like the bulbs that have a few high-powered LEDs and a large heatsink, so I wanted to test these out when I saw them. They're 921 bulbs for the reverse lights. They have 3 sets of 3 high-powered LEDs with an extension plug to accommodate the necessary heatsink. It comes with these spacer O-rings that tighten up the fitment because instead of screwing into the socket, it's held in place via this groove in the silicone base. I used my trim tool to pop the taillight cover off by prying it from the top edge. I've already removed the existing bulb from the socket. You just need to rotate the base counterclockwise and pull it out to access the bulb. For now, I'm just going to plug the new bulb into the harness. My existing 360-degree LED bulb is on the left. The new one doesn't look as bright, but once it's installed, having reflectors behind it should make a difference. I was able to push the bulb straight into the socket. The fitment was snug, so I didn't need to use any of the spacer rings. If we look on the other side, you can see I indexed the bulb so the LEDs are facing left and right to optimize the reflector usage. The new bulb is slightly brighter than the 360-degree one. Let's see what happens if we index the bulb so the LEDs are facing up and down. The light is definitely dimmer now compared to when the LEDs were indexed left and right. Here it is with my original LED bulbs. That's actually not too bad. Now to install the new bulb, but I'm going to index it up and down to see how it compares when installed incorrectly. Even with the LEDs indexed wrong, it's still brighter than the 360-degree bulb. Let's rotate the bulb to the correct position. You can now see it's illuminating a wider area. This shows how important it is to index your bulbs correctly. That looks slightly brighter now, and when we turn around, we can see it's lighting up the area behind the car better. Here it is with both bulbs installed correctly. This is definitely brighter than the other LED bulbs. I hope this helps you out if you are looking for brighter reverse bulbs for your TC. I'll put a link to it in my video description below. If you haven't hit subscribe to my channel yet, please do so now, and as always, thank you for watching.